If you ever wondered what a short sale deficiency forgiveness is, you've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Dohn Thornton. I'm known as Don the Short Sale Guy because I've helped well over 2,000 homeowners in my 20-year career get out from under foreclosure, get out from under a property where they owe more than what it's worth, and to save their credit. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about what a deficiency balance is, how to know 100% if it's going to be forgiven, and what the tax implications are. So what is a deficiency balance? Basically, when you do a short sale, and let's say you owe $200,000 total on the debt, and this property sells for $170,000. That means there's $30,000 that's left over that was not paid at closing. That is a deficiency balance. That means under normal circumstances, you would owe that money to the bank and the bank could go after you for that. Now, that's one thing that's the whole point of a short sale is that they're not going to come after you, but that's what a deficiency balance is. Back in the old days, the approval letters for the banks would state that they had the right to come after you. And there was really no difference between doing a short sale and letting the property go back to go to the foreclosure auction. And you would never know. It was like Russian roulette about whether they're going to come after you or not. Luckily, the banks saw the light and realized there was really no incentive to do a short sale if that was the case. So, that's really not a problem anymore. In fact, I can't remember the last time. I think it was like 2007, maybe, was the last time that I ever saw a short sale approval letter that contained that out clause that said the bank could go after them for a deficiency judgment. And that was only on a second mortgage. It was like a third mortgage on a HELOC. So I guess they were pretty angry. They didn't get anything, or they got like $1,000 or something like that. So that's very rare that happens. Okay. What's not rare, or what should not be rare, is that you should go down to the corner here and subscribe to my podcast, or not my podcast, my YouTube channel, because you're on my channel, right? You're on my video, you're watching a video, and you're interested obviously in short sales and for foreclosures and so forth. So just subscribe, get notified when I upload a new video. All right. So how do you know 100% if the deficiency balance is going to be forgiven? Well, I just told you it's going to be, so you should trust me, right? But above and beyond my credibility, when you get the short sale approval letter, it will state very clearly that the debt will be written off and forgiven. That's the language you got to see in your approval letter. Now, don't stress about it, like I said, because I haven't seen it happen in like 15 years almost. So and we do these all the time, so we know what we're talking about. We get approvals all the time. So we see the language in there. It's not an issue, but that's where you go. Now, if you are really, really worried, take that approval letter, go to an attorney, and just ask the attorney, does this mean that I will not be pursued by the bank? And they'll tell you yes. Okay, that's that way. You can spend some money on the attorney if you're really worried about it. But I'm telling you right now, nothing to worry about. Okay, and I would love for you to leave me a comment down in the comments section. What do you think? You like what I do? You don't like what I do? You have a question you want me to answer? Just want to ask my opinion about something? Want to give me a request about what kind of video I should do next? Great. Just leave a comment. I love comments. So let's talk about the tax implications of when the bank is going to forgive the deficiency balance. You're going to have, in that same approval letter, you're going to see language in there, a paragraph which states they're going to give you a 1099-C, and that this could have tax implications for you, and that you should see your tax advisor about how you should handle this. So I have other videos that I've done that specifically deal with the 1099 tax implications. I'll just give you like a 10-second rundown. Yes, this can be considered taxable income by the IRS. If you filed a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, it's not included automatically. If it's not included in Chapter 7 bankruptcy, you need to have your tax preparer or your tax advisor know what insolvency means and why you would be insolvent in that tax year that this closes on. I can't go any more about that. I'm not a licensed tax advisor. I cannot give you tax advice. I'm just saying, ask your tax advisor what insolvency is, and that should be enough to get you going. Okay. If you're a homeowner and you're upside down and you need to sell, then I want you to go down to the description of the video here. There's a link there, Dohn Thornton, dohnbuyshouses.now.site. Click on it. Every page of my website has a form on it. Can't miss it. And just put your name, your email address, and your phone number. Click. I'll be notified and I can reach out to you and we can talk about how we can help you. Honestly, there's no other company out there that has an A+ rating for the Better Business Bureau since 2004, has done 2,000 plus short sales in my period of time, not one complaint. So there's nobody better than us to help you with your short sale. If you are an investor and you say that, yeah, listen, I come upon these kinds of leads all the time, how do I monetize them? Joint venture with us. Go down to the description. There's also a video or a link there that you can click on. I can reach out to you. We can talk about how we can joint venture together and perhaps even join my team, because I teach this for free. And the best news is for last. If you're an agent, oh my gosh, we will run the short sale for you. We'll negotiate it. We'll do everything. We'll even, mentor you and advise you on how to deal with buyer's agents and all the things that come up in a short sale. We'll do all that for you. And all we want is 25% of your commission. Is that not amazing? Reach out to us. I'm sure you're going to find that to be the best deal ever. So I want to thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.